Hariom everyone, let's do the morning yoga practice for the mobility and then it helps to release the stiffness from the muscles. So now start from the Om chanting and then we will practice some stretchings, some neck movements, some hand movements, some leg movements and some side twisting. So let's start to do the from the neck mobility. So just inhale, stretch your neck from the left side, exhale to be center, inhale, bend your neck from the left, exhale to be center. The same process with the right side. So just now let's start to do the neck rotation from the clockwise, which is your left to be right. Make sure you have to just observe the stretchings and just now bring your both hands together to front of the face. Let's do the movement from the wrist to clockwise and then anti-clock. Let's start to do the rotation from your wrist to clock and then anti-clock. Make sure you have to strengthen your elbows, don't bend your elbows, and then place your palms on the shoulder. Let's start to do the shoulder rotation from the clockwise and then anti-clockwise, which is your right to left and then right to left, which is your 40 sets. Then from the here, let's start to do the some taking a rotation, which is your shoulder rotation, and then from the here let's start to do the side bending from the clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Now from the here you have to just strengthen your hands should be forward, and now from the here we will do the some side lateral stretching. So make sure you have to feel the stretching inside your side back muscles. So just do this nicely and then the same process with your right side. So just observe the stretchings. Now from the we will start to do the ankle movements. So just it gives you release the tensions from the your ankle joint ankles. So now we will do the side stretchings. So now we will start with the raising your both palms together and then now to be forward and then backward. Just breathe in and breathe out. Now we will start to do the some knee bending and then now raising your knees to up and then down. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's start do the knee rotations to clock and then inhale to be rabbit pose, exhale to be forward. Breathe in to be up, try to look up, exhale to be forward. So from the side bending, breathe in and breathe out. So just make sure you have to just feel the stretchings and then lay down on the mat. Now from the here just catch your back and then just try to lift your left leg up and then hold it just according to your capacity, how much you can hold it, just hold it. And then now turn your legs from the other side, which is your markat asana, and the same process with other side. So just take a deep breath and then just raise your right leg up, then turn your body from the left side, the same process, and then bring your both legs together to be up. Just try to stretch your legs should be upward and then just lay down on the mat, take a deep breath in and breathe out. The same process with the other side. So just hold it as much you can, you hold it. If you have back problems, so just avoid this. If you have some surgery, so just avoid this. And then if you are okay, so just place the cushions to behind your back, then try this posture and just hold it with your breath. Now we will laying on the mat in the same posture and then just take a rest. Slowly come to the center and sit down on the mat in your half lotus pose and then bring your both hands to